what happened? The microprocessor, you have you are given the interrupt, no? Interrupt, you are given the form of, tell me, trigger. Trigger, no? Trigger. Okay, now the simple actually, you can take the microprocessor, take the pin. The pin you can provide some supply voltage now. Default value 0, directly give a supply voltage now. What happened? 0 to what? High. Interrupt occur. They're called a rising interrupt. Which interrupt? Rising interrupt. Okay. So that can see now trap. Trap support the two type of trigger. Triggers are two types now. Okay, normal clock like that only. Triggers are two type only. One is the edge triggered. One is the what now? Level triggered. So edge is also positive or negative. Same clock pulse like that only. Same no. Edge triggered no, interrupt. Edge triggered interrupt nothing but tell me it's going to from 0 to what? 1. Edge triggered interrupt. Edge the rising interrupt only. Positive edge. Otherwise also called, tell me, rising. Two names are there only. Rising interrupt or is also called a positive edge interrupt. Negative edge triggered. What negative edge triggered? Low. Understand no? Type of triggering only. So the trap in the table mention, no? Trap is what? Tell me. Level support also edge sensitive. The meaning of edge sensitive, you can support positive edge also. Both no. There is anything support now. Positive edge also, negative edge. The meaning of edge is a keep on constant value. Suddenly go to up or down only. Up is the rising, the down is a falling. Okay, rising, this is also called what type of interrupt? Tell me? Falling. Falling interrupt, this is called what I mean? Rising interrupt. Rising interrupt and what? Falling interrupt. Two type of edge now. So level triggered is a in between the, I told you, in between the what? In between the positive and tell me negative. It is the positive and the negative. This called, tell me, level. Level is a constant value. So wherever the rising and the falling, no, in between. Okay, rising and tell me falling. Okay, in between is a one constant value maintain. No? Okay, now that is called, tell me, what type of trigger? Level. Trap support the level also, edge also. RH 7.5 support only edge. 6.5, 5.5 support the, tell me, level. INTR also level. Understood? Hello? Keyboard interrupt occur. How keyboard interrupt occur? This the interrupt from the keyboard device. So where people in the keyboard the hardware, whenever you press the key na, so a trigger happen on trigger. What about trigger happen? Understand? No? Once the trigger nothing but this pin now, this pin whenever triggering is given, microprocessor suddenly no understand. Okay, something happened. Understand? No? Something what happened? Understand? Phone ringing on the human, I can understand the sound of the phone ringing. Somebody knock the door, I am understand the sound as a human. But computer, how to recognize the interrupt? Nothing but tell me some kind of what voltage in the pin. In the pin we have up and down voltage now. That is triggering. Or rising or tell me falling. Then is a got the information only. Something happened only. You understand? No? All are the everything. No, the ultimate answer. Every question ultimate answer. Everything is a manufacturing time. They are decided on it. The people just study on it. Understand? Everything they are manufacturing. They are fixed it now. This is a pin RST 7.5 rising or falling. We study. That's all. No, that only support. Manufacturing they are fixed now. RST 7.5 only for what? Edge. They are fixed now. The pin is a edge nothing but you give up and down. That is a understanding on it. Type of trigger. Okay. Understood now? Phone ringing is a different ringtone only. Door knock is a different ringtone only. Different type of information. No? Understood? Like that, the different type of the triggers also.